Hello everyone, myself Krishna. In this video, I am going to explain join data tables activity in UiPath Studio. So let's get started. If you want to combine two data tables based on the common columns, we can use the join data tables activity. I have created two data tables, DT1 containing name, salary and address, DT2 containing name, phone number and age. Let's see how we can join these two data tables using the join data tables activity. So let's take join data tables activity. Click on join wizard. Here we need to provide data table 1 and data table 2 which you will going to join, right? So here in the data table 1 section I am going to mention DT1. In data table 2 section I am going to mention DT2. Then we need to specify the common column in the data table 1 and data table 2 on which column basis you wanted to join the both the tables. So here in this case name is the common column in the data table 1 and data table 2. So I am going to mention name in the table 1 column and table 2 column. Here there is no need of mentioning the same column name in the both the data tables. We can mention with any name, but while mentioning the common columns, we can specify the column name that we are following in both the data tables. So let's change the column name in the DT2, then we will mention the different column in the table 2 section. So I am going to replace name with employee name. Click on OK. Then I'm going to change the name with employee name for table 2 column, right? Then we need to choose the operator. So we have multiple operators are available. Based on your requirement, we can choose the operator. So here I'm selecting the equal operator. We have three types of joins are available: inner join, left join and full join. So let's talk about these joins one by one. Inner join means it will return the matched records from the data table 1 and data table 2. So it will return only the matched records only. To save the output, I am going to create a separate data table, dt output. Then click on OK. So let's take output data table as a text activity to convert output data table into text format. So let me create a string variable to store the output data table text. Let's take log message to display the output data table text in the output panel. Right. Before executing the process, so let's review the DT1 and DT2 name details. As we are joining the data tables on the basis of name column, in the DT1 we have a Hari, Banu and Navin details are available. In the DT2 we have Karthik, Giri and Hari details are available. In both the data tables Hari details are common, right? So after executing this process we will get Hari details from DT1 and DT2. So let's click on OK. Let's save and run the process and verify the output. So these are the Hari details from DT1 and these are the Hari details from the DT2, right? So let's continue the process. So in the output panel, you can see the hurry details from the DT1 and DT2. Left join means it will return the all the rows information from the data table 1 in case if the name matches with data table 2, it will return the data table 2 information. In case if the name is not matched with the data table 2, for the data table 2 columns, empty or null value will be assigned. So let's click on OK and run the process and verify the output. So before executing the join data table activity, so first verify what are all the details are available in the DT1. In the DT1, we have a Hari, Banu and Navin details are available, right? So after executing, so as Hari also is available in the data table 2, so we will get the data table 2 details. So Banu and Navin details are not available in the data table 2. For data table 2 columns, null value will be assigned. So let's continue. So this is the output data table. So as Hari is available in both the data tables, so we have a Hari details from the both the data tables. So we have a table 1 details, and for table 2 details null values are assigned, right? Let's continue. Output data table text for left join. Full join means it will return data table 1 rows and data table 2 rows in case in both the data tables if name details are matched, then it will return the matched details together. In case if the details are not matched, for DT1, DT2 details will be shown as empty or null. For DT2, DT1 details will be shown as empty or null. So let's click on OK and let's run the process and verify the output. So this is the output data table. So as Hari is available in both the tables, so we have both the table information for Hari. So this is the data table 1 information. So as Banu is not available in the data table 2, so the data table 2 details are showing null values, right? So these are the data table 2 information. So as Karthik is not available in the data table 1, so null values are assigned to the data table 1 columns, right? So let's continue. So these are the output data table information for the full join. This way we can work with join data tables activity in UiPath Studio. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.